Hey everyone, I'm Har, the Top Hat Guy, and today I'm going to be drawing flower. We're going to start with a circle. Not quite a circle, but we're going to make it work. When we're going to put a petal, another petal, another petal, another petal, another petal, another petal. We're just going to leave that one out. I'm kidding. We're not going to do that to flower. We're going to put an eye right here, an eye right there. Let's put a smile. A big happy smile. You know what? Flower's so happy. We're going to give her 2 smiles. Yeah! I'm going to go down here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to put that right there. There's a foot. There's another foot. There's an arm. You got to be careful when you're drawing these. Yeah, I'm trying to put as much detail into these arms as possible. So it's really nerve-wracking right now. So if I don't get the arms just right, I don't want to hear it, okay? I am doing my very best on those arms. I am doing my very best. I'd like to see you try it. What do you think you can do better than you can probably do better than me. I suck at the No, I hope you're all having a fantastic day though. Yeah. There's flower in 60 seconds. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on being amazing. And I'll see you in the next one.